Okay, let's collect some data. Let's say our goal behavior is that the child responds, "I'm good," to the question, "How are you?" Remember that the first thing we need to do is define the goal behavior using an operational definition. Here you'll see that we have written the operational definition of the goal behavior as Naomi will respond, "I'm good," within 3 seconds of being asked, "How are you?" Naomi will assume the role of participant, and Emily will assume the role of peer buddy. Remember, your job as the data collector is to record the SDs that Emily provides as well as the response Naomi provides. Also, as a facilitator at camp, you should have your data collection sheet ready and give the peer buddy the cue to start providing opportunities as soon as you're ready. Get out that data collection sheet and get ready to collect some data.
How are you? How are you? You can say, "I'm good."
I'm good.
Good. How are you? What could you say?
I'm good.
Awesome. How are you?
I'm good.
Great.
Okay, let's review your data. You should have 4 recorded opportunities, and for all the opportunities, the SD was, "How are you?" For opportunity number 1, Naomi did not respond, so you'll see I circled I for incorrect. In the notes I added that she looked away. For opportunity number 2, Emily provided a full verbal prompt, so you'll see I circled P for prompt. In the notes I added that a full verbal prompt was used and that it was effective. It's very important to indicate whether or not the prompt was effective. For opportunity number 3, Emily provided an indirect verbal prompt, so you'll see I circled P for prompt. Again, in the notes I added that an indirect verbal prompt was used and that it was effective. You'll also notice that the prompt was being faded systematically from a full verbal to a partial verbal prompt. Finally, for opportunity number 4, Emily did not provide a prompt, and Naomi responded independently. Therefore, I circled C for independent correct response. At the very bottom of her data sheet, you'll see that I've indicated Naomi got 1 out of 4 responses independently correct. Therefore, her overall percentage was 25%. This tells us that we need to continue working on this goal.
Let's collect data on another behavior. Let's say our goal behavior is that the participant reciprocates a question after the peer buddy asks a question. Remember that the definition of a reciprocation is that the participant not only responds, but also bounces the question back. With reciprocations, if the participant demonstrates consistency in exhibiting the goal behavior, it's appropriate and in fact preferred to mix up the SDs. The key with reciprocations is that the participant remembers to engage in both responding and reciprocating. Okay, get out a new data collection sheet and get ready to collect some data.
How was your week?
Good.
Good, good. Ask me, how was your week?
How was your week?
Thank you for asking. It was great. Hey, Naomi, do you want to know how my week was?
How was your week?
Thank you for asking. It was really fun. I went camping. How was your week?
Good. How was your week?
Thank you for asking. It was awesome. I went camping. I did some hiking. Good job. What did you do this week?
I went to the beach with some friends. What did you do this week?
Right on. I also went to the beach with some friends and I saw a movie. What are some of your hobbies?
I like running, reading, hiking, and swimming. What are some of your hobbies?
Thank you for asking. I like to hike, especially around here. There's a lot of really cool hiking trails.
Okay, let's review your data again. You should have 6 recorded opportunities. The SD for questions 1 through 4 was "How was your week?" For the first one, it was incorrect because Naomi only responded. The second one, a full verbal prompt was provided and it was effective, so we circled P. For the third one, an indirect verbal prompt was provided. We circled P again. We said that it was effective. And for the fourth one, for this same question, it was an independent correct response. So we just circled the C here. The fifth question was, what did you do? And Naomi not only responded, she also reciprocated, so it was independent correct response. And the sixth question was, what are some of your favorite hobbies? Again, Naomi remembered to not only respond, but also reciprocate, which was awesome. That was an independent correct response. So the total number of independent correct responses was 3 out of 6 opportunities provided, or 50%. This tells us that we need to continue to work on this goal as well. That concludes our opportunity-based data collection presentation. Thanks for watching.